Recording the sewer line at 3423 38th West. Date is November, where are we at here? 22nd, 2021. Making this recording from the toilet flange in the basement of the home. We are out about 80-some feet right before the city main sewer. There is a lip in the sewer line there. I've located this about 11 feet deep right near the center of the road. We're going to come back from here. According to this sewer map, this is a shared sewer line between 3423 and 3417, 38th West. We're coming back through a 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line with a joint approximately every 2 feet. Right here is where this line comes back from the shared section with the neighbor. So this is the shared, this is where the two lines combine. I'm going to go pause this video and go locate this spot. Alright, I've got that spot located about 8 feet deep, just out into the street, off of the driveway. We're now coming back into the personal line of 3423. Still 6-inch diameter, as we are still off property here. See little bits of toilet paper getting held up. And right here we've gone back into 4-inch diameter sewer as we're coming back onto the property. I'm going to go locate this spot out in the front, pausing and locating. Alright, I've got that spot located 7 feet deep just onto the property line. We're now coming back into 4-inch diameter piping, so I'm going to zero out our, got a large root ball there. We've zeroed out our footage so we get an accurate count on footage here. We should see a couple of tie-ins for the downspouts and driveway drains as we come back here. There's going to be the first one on the left side of the pipe, pausing and locating. Alrighty, I've got that located about 4 or so feet deep directly under the rockery. Got a large root, toilet paper coming stuck right there. There's the other downspout connection / driveway drain. We'll pause and locate. Also got that located underneath the rockery out front there. And the last landmark on our journey here will be this cast iron to concrete connection. Pause and locate. Also got that located under the rockery. We're going to come back through this cast iron underneath the house. And up out of the toilet flange there, ending the recording.